It strengthens our awareness of how emotion is expressed by our body. We can take control, and that's how we take our power back. The sound that you're going to make on your exhale should sound like a female honeybee. So imagine female honeybee. So it's not like a mosquito, which is really high. Eee, not like that. And it's not like a male honeybee. Too low. You guys are good at this. Keep breathing. And maybe you start to rock. Ready? Inhale. Ha! Ha! Beautiful colored bubble is now inside the body, and you can direct it anywhere that you feel that your body needs a little comfort.